Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I get ready in 5 to 10 minutes. Honestly, I have been loving doing my makeup like this. It's like super natural. So if you guys want to see how I do my makeup, then just keep on watching. So for primer, I'm gonna start with this Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. So I'm gonna put this essence first, and then just grab it and I massage it. Then I'm gonna go in with the No Problem again primer from Touch and Soul. I'm not sure this is supposed to do something to it. It doesn't really give any instructions on the back or what it's supposed to do. But I use it before I put this primer on and apply literally this much on my face. Literally, that's it. I'm just kidding. So next I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium, and this is what I use obviously to conceal and as like a base, like as a foundation. And I have been loving this look. I love Tarte Shape Tape as a concealer, as a foundation. It just covers everything. And I'm here for it. So that's covered. I'm almost running out, so I need a new one. And I do apply it just on this part of my face. I don't apply it to my forehead because I do want to leave like some of my natural skin. But I'm just going to take my Morphe brush. This is the brush M439, and I'm just gonna blend this out. And I don't bring it onto my eyelids. That's another thing. I don't cover my eyelids just because that makes it look more natural as well. Whatever I just have left on my brush, I just like pass it through my forehead, which is not gonna be a lot. It's just, you know, just so it can look even and not super, like it doesn't go with the rest of my face. Okay, so next I take my BH Cosmetics Nude Blush palette. This is the 10 color blush palette. As you guys can see, it's like all beat up and stuff. I love this palette, to be honest. It's like so good and so affordable. At some point, definitely recommend it. So I'm gonna mix this dark shade with this medium shade. I have totally ran out of my, oh, I'm out of focus. I have totally ran out of my favorite shade, like pan to a matte. So I'm trying to like use other shades as well, just not to waste the whole palette, you know? So I do like to start over here, like on the side of my cheek, and then just slowly bring it to the apples on my cheek. So at this point, I like to do my mascara. So I'm gonna curl my eyelashes first before I do mascara. So now that my eyelashes are curled, I'm gonna go in with my mascara. I ran out of my favorite mascara, which is a Prosa mascara. It's a Mexican mascara. I always use it. It's like my all-time favorite. This is also a Mexican mascara. But my favorite one is it's from the brand Prosa, and it's like volumizing mascara. It's so good. I love that mascara. My mom is actually going to Mexico in March, so I'm gonna tell her to bring me some. I already told her actually, but I'm gonna remind her. So yeah, this is another like Mexican mascara, and this is from the brand Alarga. It's a hypoallergenic mascara. So what I love about Mexican mascaras is that they don't, once I curl my eyelashes, they don't bring them back down, and that is like a big deal for me because normally I don't have curly lashes. Like my lashes are as straight as can be, and they're long, so I really need my lashes to like stay curled. And if I use any, like I've tried so many US mascaras, like from so many brands, and they all bring them down. Like my favorite mascara is Lancome Monsieur, and that one I really love it. It doesn't bring my lashes down all the way, but it does slightly like bring them down a bit. And if it just didn't do that, I would 100% be rocking that mascara all the time. I believe the Proso mascara, you can buy it online. Like I've seen people like sell it like on Walmart when I've tried looking for it, but I haven't bought it. Also, I think Amazon sells them too. But it's just cheaper if you get them in Mexico, you know, like where they come from. So that's why I just tell my mom, hey, I need so and so mascaras. Please bring me like a bunch. And literally the last step right now is just highlight. If you want to add highlight, you can totally add highlight. Sometimes I don't add highlight just because, like I said earlier, I am oily, and especially during the day. Like I live in Miami, it's hot, you know. I don't really like to add a lot of highlight all the time because my oil does come through with so minimal makeup, so I don't really like to add a ton of highlight on my face. So for the sake of this video, I will add it, but normally I just leave my face. I like to use the Pixie and Dulce Candy highlight palette, and I like to use this top middle shade. It's really nice. Oh wait, not the last step yet. How could I forget the eyebrows? But the eyebrows, I don't do much to them. For the brows, I don't really do much to them. I just comb them. So to the brows, I don't really do much to them. I just literally fill out the tail, like a tiny little bit, and that's it. So for the lips, I'm just going to do a lip liner. This is the NYX Peekaboo Neutral Lip Liner. I'm just gonna outline and fill in. I'm gonna do this lip gloss from Dominique Cosmetics. This is in the shade Peach Tea. I love this lip gloss because it's like not sticky. Like when you go like that, it's like so good. I love it. And that is it, you guys. Now you just gotta put some earrings on, some jewelry, which I will do after. And literally, yeah, terminaste. You are ready to rock and roll. So yeah, you guys, so this is the finished look. Super simple, super easy, like very minimal makeup. I really love to do this look a lot just because it's super like simple and it makes you look put together, and I just love it. Alright guys, so I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.